Hey, sixth graders, looking at the next couple lessons today in math. We're looking at lessons 10 and 11, describing distributions using the mean and mean absolute deviation. So here we have some data for two cities, B and C, and the temperatures, the average temperature for every month for a year. So you can see those there. First, we're going to list the data in order from least to greatest. And then you could make a dot plot, which we've talked about. So you have 3 x's at 54, 1 at 58, 4 at 63, 1 at 68, and 3 at 72. Now we want to find the mean. So we add up all those numbers right there and divide them by 12, because that's how many numbers we have. And we get an average of 63. So 63 is the mean. Then list the differences from the mean. So just working from left to right. 9, 9, 5, some zeros, 5, and 9. Then we find the mean absolute deviation. And to do that, we add up these numbers and again divide by 12 because that's how many there are. So the mean absolute deviation is 5.3 to the nearest tenth. Excuse me. So that means that we rounded the 5.3 to 5.3 from like 5.333, so on. Okay, so there's that one. Now I have to do it for city C. So again, we list that data in order from least to greatest, find the mean of, again, 63. The differences, now maybe you already notice a big difference, but there's a 19 and a 22. So even though the means are the same, this one has more variability. So we find the mean absolute deviation, which is 10.17 to the nearest hundredth. So again, that also helps us understand that greater variability. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, so here we're going to compare the means and the mads. So they all have the same mean, they all have the same mad. So that means that they're the same average and the same average distance from the mean. But we can all still list the data from least to greatest. Again, if you were plotting it on a dot plot, 1 x or dot at each mark. So you can see here that this city D starts, the lowest is 44, the highest 87. E is 56 to 84, and F is 42 to 70. So their means and mads are the same, but they do have different variabilities. So a data distribution can be described in terms of its center, spread, and shape. The center can be measured by the mean, the average. The spread can be measured by the mean absolute deviation. And a dot plot shows the shape of the distribution, whether they're just really spread out or there's a lot in the middle or whatever it is. So no assignment today. It will be included in tomorrow's assignment. So work on missing work. Most of you have something. Let me know if you have any questions and have a great day.